What is the best online Photoshop course? I believe there's more than one, and I'm about to tell you what they are. Don't go away. Hi there, I'm Barry Callister of Photographer's Freedom, giving you the time, gear and skills to be the best photographer you can be. Now, pretty much everything I know about Photoshop I learned from the course that I'm about to tell you about. Now, there's an old version and a newer version of the course. That's why in the intro I said that there was more than one. So let's jump to the computer and have a look at them. So this is Adobe Photoshop CC, the complete guide, available from creativelive.com, as you can see up here. Now, this course will take you through Adobe Photoshop CC 2015 from start to finish. So you'll learn how to use Camera Raw, you'll learn how to make selections, how to use layers, how to use layer masks, learn about all the tools in the tools menu and so much more. So you can start this course as a beginner, and by the end of it, you'll be using Photoshop like a pro. Now, the instructor is Ben Willmore. If we scroll down here, you can see that Ben is a member of the Photoshop Hall of Fame, and he's taught over 100,000 Adobe Photoshop users on all 7 continents, so the guy knows what he's talking about. And Ben explains things in an easy to understand way, and he keeps you interested and excited to learn more. He also talks in layman's terms a lot, so rest assured that you won't have to try and understand a whole lot of techie Photoshop speak. I have put a special link in the video description that will get you 60% off this course and any other course site-wide on Creative Live until Monday the 17th of February 2020. So that is the Monday after this video is released on YouTube. So get on that link, get on it right now. You can get this course and any other course on Creative Live 60% off only until, I'm thinking it's midnight on the 17th. Don't quote me on that midnight thing, but I'm pretty sure that Creative Live's sales end midnight on the day of. So get on it, that link's in the video description for 60% off. So let's take a little bit of a look around the class page here. Now, there's a link in the video description below that will lead you straight to this page. So you can see down here that over 115,000 people have done this course and 99% of them recommended, so you know it's good. Underneath that, we can see there are 21 video lessons all in HD, 25 hours and 10 minutes of class content all up, exclusive bonus content, lifetime access anywhere, anytime, streaming and offline access on desktop and mobile, offline sync with the iPhone and iPad apps, and 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Do I need to talk it up anymore? No, I don't. Let's watch the trailer and see what it's all about. Looks good, huh? Now, down here, there's also an introduction to the course itself. So we'll have a little bit of a look at some of that, and you can see Ben and see how he explains things.
Without any further ado, let's bring him out, Ben Willmore. Hello, sir. Good to see you. Good morning. Yeah. How you feeling? 20 days? You got your coffee? Are you ready to do this? Yes. 4 weeks. Tons of content, right? You're going to be doing Photoshop literally from A to Z. Start with the basics today, and as we get forward, we get more and more and more advanced. So it really doesn't matter the level of the folks watching. There's something for everybody.
Yeah, the first day of the class is, for everybody that might not be up on the basics, and then we slowly progress into deeper and deeper. And by the time we're done, we get into advanced topics. So it'll be a nice progression.
Great. All right. Let's get started.
So you can see it's really well structured. So I'll just skip ahead a bit here to where Ben's explaining something about.
For the most part. And they've decided to make it so you would see your recent files here. So if you wanted to quickly open a recent file, that type of thing. There is a preference you can change in Photoshop to turn this off.
So you see here he's going through how to open your files, how to create files.
when you don't have a...
So this is the real basics of Photoshop.
This is if you want standardized sizes for your paper.
Talking through documents, creating a new document here.
Work with sRGB. There's also
and the audience will ask questions every now and then.
A difference?
So there you go. That's a little bit about it right there. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the page here, you can look at the transcript from the course. You can check out all the items that are in the course. So down here there's a list of all 21 lessons, so you can see what you're learning there. And down the bottom you've got all your reviews. Now check this out, 99% thumbs up, baby. That's pretty awesome. Like if I was doing a course myself, I would be happy with reviews like that. So you can look through those if you want. There's pages and pages of them. Now this is a course that will cost you money, but sometimes if you want valuable information, you do have to pay for it. Free YouTube tutorials are great, but they're not always structured in a way that a course like this is. Spend a bit of money, I guarantee you won't regret it. Now I have put a special link in the video description that will get you 60% off this course and any other course site-wide on Creative Live until Monday the 17th of February 2020. So that is the Monday after this video is released on YouTube. So get on that link, get on it right now. You can get this course and any other course on Creative Live 60% off only until, I'm thinking it's midnight on the 17th. Don't quote me on that midnight thing, but I'm pretty sure that Creative Live's sales end midnight on the day of. So get on it, that link's in the video description for 60% off. I have also put a link in the video description where you can get 50% off if you miss out on the 60. There is a link below that's 50% off, and that is valid until the 29th of February, so that's still a pretty good deal. Now I did mention earlier about a newer version of this course, and if I just search up here for Adobe Photoshop 2020, the complete guide. So if you're using the latest version of Photoshop, this course will be the one that you want. Now it is a bit more expensive than the other one. I think it's actually twice the price. There it is, $199 at the moment. So that's quite a bit more pricey than the other one, but this has got an amazing amount of information in it as well. As you can see here, it goes through Photoshop 2020 from A to Z, and there is just so much in that course as well. Now I haven't done this course, but if it's as good as the Photoshop CC 2015 one, it'll be fantastic. So it's up to you to make up your mind. The 2015 course will do great for you if you've got newer versions of Photoshop. You still learn a lot of the features. If you've got older versions of Photoshop, a lot of the features won't be available to you, but if you're using a newer version, it should still be fine, but you can make up your own mind. Now, one thing I will say about this is that these prices are in US dollars, I'm pretty sure. So make sure that you remember that these prices are in US dollars. Now, if you're a first-time Creative Live user, you will have to sign up for an account. So on any page of the website, just come up to this login sign up, click on there, and you can see you can sign in with your Facebook account, your Google account. You can also use your Microsoft account if you like, or your email address, and you just continue there, put in a few details, and you'll be good to go. Now, if you think you might be purchasing a lot of classes from Creative Live, you may want to look into the Creator Pass that they have. So up the top here in the right hand side, you can see Get the Pass. So if you click on that, now this is their subscription based service, so it's billed yearly, and it gives you access to over 1,500 of their top classes. It does not include site-wide classes, so remember that, but depending on what classes you want, this may be a good idea for you. Now you can see they have a monthly pass that's billed at $39 a month. Remember, these are US dollars. Or their annual pass is $149 yearly, which is less than $13 a month. So that's a big saving right there. And you can see underneath here, we have exclusions apply underneath both of them. So if you click on there, you can read about what classes are excluded from the Creator Pass. So there's a few in there, but not too many really, to be honest. when you consider how many courses they have on the website. So a creator pass may be the idea for you. Check it out for yourself and see what you think. So get onto those deals. The links are in the video description. 60% off. That sale starts on the 14th of February 2020 and finishes on the 17th of February 2020. That link is visible in the video description. The other link to the 50% off is also down there in the description. If you get the course, let me know how you go with it by leaving a comment in the comment section below. Hit subscribe, hit like. Until next time, I'm Barry Callister for Barry Callister Photography and Photographer's Freedom. Get out there, take some wicked shots, and I'll see you soon.